Hammaga salom sizlarga. Men o'sha Doniyor Gaming Doniyor Gaming emas, Doniyor bugun o'rgatilgan videomizda biz open pack qilamiz. To'g'ri olmoslarim bor, lekin ertangi keladigan yangi sezonga men yig'ib qo'yapman. Общий hisoblab chiqqanimda umumiy balansim 30 mingta olmos bo'ladi ertaga va 30 mingta olmosga paklar ochaman. Hozir biz yangi sezonni ko'rib chiqamiz. Hop, extra time. Kimlar keladi? Bu yerda nimalar qo'shiladi? Hammasini ko'rib chiqamiz. Hop, hozir. Mana, hop. Tugagan, men ko'rmay qoldim yangisi. Inglizcha bilaman, shuning uchun qiyin bo'lmaydi uncha. Hop, starting. To'xtaylar.
I feel like that's been an interesting event to be a part of. Every week, a new club, Liverpool, Bayern, Juve, Real, and like the play.
That can lead you to
Yutalish bor.
here in this welcome chapter.
Hop,
You have this option
Starpass
here
ketdi,
for
yaxshi.
training games. So you've seen this before. If you've been around for a while, what you need to do here is to complete skill games, matches, or in this case, you also have a more difficult match with more requirements here.
o'ynab
That can lead you to your 100 rewards points that you need to
shunaqa narsa
unlock
orasilarda
festive pictures token.
100 ta shunaqa jetonlar beradi. Bu jetonlarga nimadir olamiz.
And then
Biz
here we
ko'ramiz.
get something cool.
Hop,
You can claim your support
bizning ana TMga
or
nima
the
avatarga hamda
games here, and you can do this multiple times. And let me show you something real quick. For an example, before you go here to
ustiga qandaydir bezaklar,
personal team
rasmlar,
pack, you get a
nimadir
roll
shuni.
emote.
Shunaqa ana emblemali
You also get
narsalar beradi.
their
Hop,
mascot as a logo too.
narsalarga
So we
bitta
have
chiptagi
this
olsak
for
bo'ladi hamda
every
500
team,
FC pointga xarid
across the
qilsanglar
brand.
bo'ladi, lekin men
And
xarid
then what you need to
qilmaganman.
do
Hop,
is with your
tekin ekan, birinchisi tekin, free tekin.
support claims here, you just
Festival
support your team,
Victorious Pack
and then you
deb
get
nom
ticket
ekan. Bu
progress.
yangi sezonning nomi
Scroll over here to
Festival
the right.
Victorious Pack.
And once you got
Pack
20 of them,
qo'shimchasi
you
ham
can go
qo'shib
and
qilsam
claim
bo'ladi.
your team pack.
Hop, bu mana shu biletga free
All you
bo'ladi.
need to do is support your team 20 times.
Hammasini olib chiqqandan keyin
May sound like a
Mam-
lot,
hammaslar
but if you do support your team 20 times, it's
super.
right? So
Ya'ni
we had
olish
this for
qonuni
teams, for
anglatadi.
example.
Ol bo'yindan keyin ana shu 20 tasini bo'lgandan keyin bitta bira chiptaga xohlagangiz olasizlar. Men Manchester City muxlis bo'lganim uchun men Manchester City'ni olishim kerak katta ehtimol.
Plenty of options here. Chelsea.
Hammasini tushuntirib o'tayotganim uchun like bosing, kanalga obuna
Let's
bo'lib qo'ying.
ask chat.
Chelsea
What team are we picking here? What team are you?
Let's support
Jam
someone.
olsa bo'ladi, lekin men Manchester City muxlisman.
Drop in the comments what team you're going to be choosing.
Bular shart emas.
And with 20 of them, we can go and claim our team back here.
Free dedim-ku.
Very cool. Chapter
Oh,
here. In this
Tottenham
chapter,
sezon
as Anton
Tottenham,
mentioned,
ya'ni
we have plenty of
Richarlison
matches
overi
going on.
ko'tariladi. Agar Richarlison
During the holidays,
gol
and
ursa
then
yoki
weeks
assist
after.
bersa,
So
keyin
every
Tottenham
match week,
yutsa
we will have a
over oladi.
highlighted showdown where
Richarlison
you can
gol urib
spend
Tottenham yutsa,
your
Richarlison
festive
over
pictures
1 bo'ladi.
tokens to
McAllisterda ham
then again
shunaqa.
claim
Liverpool
support
yutsa,
for one of those sides.
yoki assist yoki gol
The
ursa,
first one we have
over
Spurs
bo'ladi.
versus Liverpool, and we have Richarlison and McAllister representing their teams.
bo'lmaydi.
So, as you know, depending on the performance,
Yaxshi tushuntirdim degan umiddaman. Xo'p.
their individual requirements, and if their team wins some, but it's hard to compare him to my R9, right? We're here to the right.
Yaxshi, hop, o'yinlar.
Match.
Hop, Kings Terry Henry'ning ana
A big fan
ikkinchi
of
hafta,
Antihian.
Lampard uchinchi
So,
hafta,
here
Sheeran
you can
to'rtinchi
just,
hafta, Peter Schmeichel.
dive
Hop,
into
o'yinlarni
some of the
o'ynaymiz.
highlight
Sunderland
matches,
Huge,
moments
Hess,
of more
Henry shu payt
distinct
gol urgan ekan,
icons, heroes
assistdan
that
bergan
made it
o'yin
big
ekan.
in the Premier League.
Mana
We have
Premier
a
Ligadagi
little bit of
rekordi
context, history, and
20 ta
then
assist
you can
ekan.
simply
Terry
play
Henry
through these
24 ta
matches
golmi?
here.
Ha,
And in the end,
o'yinda.
you can claim
O,
a
Terry Henry
110
hammasini
yard
o'ynab chiqsangiz, Terry Henryni 110 kartochkasi kartini bepulga olishingiz mumkin, lekin menga bu kerak emas.
I mean, it's a 110, so it's not
Yeah, it's a
gonna,
110, so I can
Hop.
definitely get
not really like a starting
bizga
option
shu
after coming out of glorious eras, but hey, you know,
ikkita jeton.
you wanted to get
Shunga
yourself
oladigan
on,
narsalarimiz ko'p chiqamiz.
you
Hop.
want a 110. I mean, it's there,
Yaxshi
but
narsalar
I think for
bilan
most people, just
umiddan.
completing it, you can use it for the shards.
Birinchisi
Yeah,
keyin
exactly.
Brentford
Getting some more
see
progress.
this.
ketdi shu payt.
Although I love when he
Hop.
Sharding.
Ko'rsat.
And then on road trip, this is a reward pack,
Let's take
and
it.
I thought it was
Yeah.
interesting because it's pretty lengthy. So I won't showcase all of the rewards here, but you see,
50 ta olmos.
you can spend your
Trenirovka
tokens
50 ta. Yehe.
across
5 ta
red
shart.
coins here. So there are some hidden gems,
200 ta olmos.
interesting rewards, rank up points,
100 ta Mahmud Salamani.
travel.
Bu umuman bo'lmaydi,
Europe.
bu ham bo'lmaydi. Bu ham bo'lmaydi.
Looking forward to those retro
Mushur sovg'a.
kits.
Mushur
I had glorious
sovg'a
eras,
deb
had a few
shuncha
retro
qiynalamiz.
kits, and
5 ta shart
I was
olmaydi.
curious
Вообще
if
kam.
there were any
40
retro
ta
kits that you
yehe.
guys wanted to
Bu
see
normal.
come out in the future
Bizom ishlarman.
from any specific team or a team with like the year.
Fre.
Would really be interested to see what your favorite kind of retro
shard.
kit is.
Oh, Ochu Man City retro kit.
Hop.
That's a great
40 ta. Zaradga.
I think that's the kit or the player I can think of in that 2002 team would be Holland's dad.
111, 113.
What's that?
Played on that team. Yeah. There's a famous moment where I think him and Roy Keane had a coming together. But I think that's the kit. Yeah, I'll leave it at that.
And then at the end here you get a 111 OPR to 113. And then if you have any spare tokens at the end, you can also use it at this reward node. It costs 200 tokens and you can repeat it up to 999 times.
Voh! Galeriya, Bobby Charlton, Eden Hazard, Stamp. Menga Hazardda kerak joyi tezligini Charlton.
Alright, first impressions.
Roy Stampning fizikisi. Qo'li, oyoq qiziq. Har doim 5 ga chiqiladi bu safar. 5 ga to'g'ri bo'lsa kerak.
I think right off the
Ola
bat,
Sakaning driblingi,
Just 'cause
Rice'ning,
looking at a Hazard and a Stam with the 113s that they
Fernandes'ning
just had,
pasi qancha ekan,
even
James'ning
Charlton for that
tezligicha,
matter, the 115s are going to
Pickford
be good to use.
to'sinishi, Rush.
The other one is Holland. Holland's last item was a 111 during
Hop, Tanali.
So he's been
Menga
waiting for a
Tanali
top item
kerak
to come in.
emasga o'xshaydi, lekin kerak.
Saka 115, Rice
Mana shu
115.
ikkitaga 22 ming.
Yeah.
Ian Rush. I feel like it's been a minute since we've seen a top Ian Rush item. Would love to
let's
know,
talk
chat,
about
when's the last
Mobile
Rush
Go.
item that you've seen in FC Mobile?
Menga mobil moddan tashqari kerak futbolchilar ko'p ekan bu yerda. Mobil. Menga umuman hujumchi kerak emas.
When was it?
Yarim himoyachi himoyachi darvoza
Trivia
bo'ladi.
question for chat
Much
here.
better than mine.
Darvozaga Pickford olsa bo'ladi. Himoyachiga Stamp.
When was the
Yarim
last Rush
himoyachiga
item?
Bruno yoki Rice.
Speaking of which,
Normal.
I
O Maguire. Ashley
thought
Cole.
he was thinking to take a closer look. Let's
Bobby Charlton.
base and shooting are high up
Go
there.
chocolate.
Dribbling too.
Shunchaki. Shokolad.
I want to showcase this Saka too. I think he's definitely the highlight here for me. Right wing.
In win Ballon d'Or. But
Haaland statistikasi
other than that, have people used Haaland in the past as their striker?
yaxshi ekan.
I don't see it.
Yaxshi. Tushsa qo'yaman. Test fabrikasi 60 mingtaga.
I like my CMs to have a better physical.
The same. Like,
Oyoq mo'ri.
because I gotta say, Fabregas is a little underrated. If you look back at what he's done.
Hop.
In league points, like
30 mingtaga kim keldi?
In my,
Kim keldi?
and I mean,
Kim
I have
bu?
joined your
you haven't
cause.
tried this one with my
Smolari.
team yet. Give it a shot. See how it goes.
Give it a shot. Yeah,
5
exactly.
5tadan 4ta yulduzcha.
All right, let's see. League exchanges. Let's take a look
Yok,
at
hadi.
the
O
upgraded
paklar
from
20
109 to 110, which is always good.
Açamam da men.
Should we open one?
Açamam şimdi. Bruzonchdan hamma futbolchi kerak faqat.
I want to
Think
see.
so?
Faqat
I mean, it's
I
what the
wanna see
people
that.
ikkita o'yinchi, bitta o'yinchi kerak emas. Ben bor. Undan tashqari hamma o'yinchi kerak Bruzonchda.
I take a little while to load, okay?
Walkout ko'rikchi. Normal ekan, lekin bar Gloria serani kim tenkamini chiqish walkout.
So go through.
Oldu. Oy. Ne yapıyorsun? Pele.
Ooh,
Ne be?
great shooting, great dribbling.
Skill moments.
Take a look at the
Flamingo.
okay, false 9, so he has the acceleration, the dribbling,
Просто вау.
agility, which I like.
Pele poseer. Oraya çünkü tarih var.
Yeah, what do you guys think of the Pele?
Oraya çünkü tarihimden Pele poseer.
Sharing the spotlight.
Aşağı
Pele,
koyardım da.
Gerd Müller.
Bir
Miller? Miller.
Müller. Kanka korekçi. Pele, Zanetti, Modric, Müller, Chapunkum, Inaki, Usmani, Nvaneri, Sola, Dadasi ham tanımaydigan o'yinchi Desimplay, Martinez. Menimcha bo'ldi. Kerak narsalar hammasini bilib oldik. Hop. Shu joyda tarkibimni bitta ko'rsataman. Bo'ldi. Video tugaydi. İnternet çiçi var mı? Hey. İnternet çiçi var yaptı. Zeynep. İyi. Bu böyle takipte izohlarda ondan net yazıp koyuşlarını yazıp koyuyla netçe. Messi istatistike. Yani. Eğer olmasanız bor bo'lsa ishlatmaslikni maslahat beraman. Ne hozir uchalasimlardan qalbim qayraman. Olmasangiz bor bo'lsa ishlatmay qo'yavering. Keyin ertaga kerak bo'lib qoladi. Hammaga xayr, video yoqqan bo'lsa like bosing, kanalimizga obuna bo'lib qo'ying. Xayr.